In this video, I wanted to walk through a new feature Edpuzzle has, which is playlists. This is a really exciting feature and something that I think you'll find useful, so let's take a look. All right, we are here in Edpuzzle, and what you will notice is now when you are in Edpuzzle, you'll notice under the My Content section, if you go ahead and click on My Content, you'll be brought to all the videos and stuff and all the content that you have in Edpuzzle. But now at the top here, you will now see an option to filter by playlist. So if you want to create a playlist, what you're going to do is you can do it a few ways. So first, up here, we have the add folder button. Right next to it, we have the create playlist button. We can do that here. Or if we come all the way up to the top right-hand corner, the blue button that says add content, if we do that, we can now have the option to create a playlist. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click create playlist. First thing we're going to do is we're going to give our playlist a name. So I'm going to create a playlist for fractions. I'm going to go ahead and click next. And then now I'm going to select those videos in my content area that I want to add to this playlist. So I have some Khan Academy videos here that are dealing with fractions. So I'm just going to click these three and I'm going to click create playlist. Before I do that, just want to go over a few more things. The videos that I'm wanting to add are not showing up here. I can search in my content to find a video that I want to add to a playlist, and then I can choose how I want these sorted when I'm looking at videos in my content area. So I have my video selected. I'm going to go ahead and click create playlist. And now I have a playlist for fractions. So this is very useful because if I want my students to watch certain videos and we're going over, for example, we're going over fractions, I can now assign this playlist to my class. So then when they're going through, they're going to watch the videos in this playlist that I've created. I can go in, I can edit the name of the playlist if I want to change it, I can do that. Also, with the three dots here, I have the options to move it to a folder if I want to. I can preview the playlist so I can see what that's going to look like on my students' end. And they can see, here's a playlist preview. They can see, oh, I have 3 videos to watch in this playlist. It just gives me a good idea of what that's going to look like on the student's end. So that was just a quick video showing the new playlist feature in Edpuzzle. I think this is going to be a feature that you're really going to like. It's going to make assigning videos to your students easier because especially if you're wanting to watch a specific set of videos, you can create that playlist, assign that to them, and then they know these are the videos that I need to watch. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.